after the last year, please give us some good news on the energy front. And I think you were kind of alluding to that earlier.
Yes. So, I was talking about this last night at dinner with some friends who are also in the natural gas and energy world. Natural gas prices have come down to much more manageable levels. Levels we've seen early 2021 back into 2020 and 2019. So, and this happened very rapidly. We were kind of projecting this to happen first quarter or maybe early second quarter of 23, but prices got underneath $4 for market prices, and we hadn't seen that since middle of 2021. So we've really been seeing some high prices, but the market has come back down. And I'm sure you're going to ask me, so let me go ahead and say the reasons for this were not a very cold winter yet. I know we've had some cold temps here and there, but we haven't had any sustained long colds that I'm aware of across the U.S. So the demand has been much, much lower than they anticipated. And storage made a huge rally at the end of the injection season, which ends about at the end of October.
Okay.
We're building supply. We're making sure we got enough reserves to make it through the winter. And they got to levels much higher than were anticipated. So those two have really caused prices to fall off hard, and they've fallen off very, very rapidly.
Right. Well, that's all great news.